This is the emergency broadcast system. The CDC is advising that you stay in your home. We show up.
Welcome to Sunburn.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party.
We show up in the party. We show up in the party.
Hey guys, so today is going to be a very eventful day, so I thought I should take you guys along with me. I just got ready, got my outfit, and now it's time for me to do my makeup. I also did my hair, just straightened it very quickly, and I wanted to try a new foundation today. So since I have a very long day, I could like test it out throughout the day. It's the new Smashbox one. I have heard such good things about it, and it has and it is supposed to be like a 24 hours foundation. So let's see how this holds up. So that's what I am about to do right now. Let me get ready really quickly. I have to leave for the airport in half an hour now. And I'm just starting to get ready, but hopefully we should be good. So yeah, let me apply this and get back to you. Ooh, that's thick. It's really thick. I didn't expect it to be this full coverage. This is extremely matte, and it literally adds a new layer on top. Like it cements your skin. And it looks really nice on camera. Now let's see how this... Okay, I'm done blending this. Let's see how it holds up the entire day. Let me quickly get done with the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to quickly show you my outfit, and let's head to the airport soon. So I'm done with the rest of my makeup. I'm wearing this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I just wore it for the first time today. I think it's a little too cool toned, but I think with like a little bit more eye makeup it would look nice. So yeah, that's it for the makeup. I am terribly late. I just booked my Uber. It's time to head out. So this is my outfit. My shoes are from Puma. So this is the outfit that I am wearing. My shoes are from Puma. I really like them. They're so retro. The skirt is from H&M. The belt is from Off-White, and the bralette I'm wearing underneath is from H&M, and this top, this mesh top, is from Only. And yeah, so my Uber's arrived and it's time to go to Goa. Hello.
Hello.
So I decided to take a backpack. I almost took my small bag, but then I decided to kind of take a bigger bag, and my Uber guy is already here. And I also decided to take like a jacket because I feel so cold in flights. So time to go. Made it to the airport and I'm not delayed. It's a big achievement. But yeah, I'm so excited to go to Goa. I think this is my first time attending Sunburn. And did I tell you that I'm coming back on the same day? It's going to be a really hectic day. I'm keeping myself hydrated. And let's do this. never come to go around this time. But like there's so many people in the airport. I'm just waiting for my car to come, and then we're gonna head to Veganar, and then we're gonna go to Sunburn. It's so hot. I regret the jacket so much now. Okay, so after being in the car for like around 2.5 hours, I finally made it. I'm supposed to enter through gate number 5, so I'm just waiting here. It's gate number 5. I just got dropped off and I'm just waiting for the people at Nika to come fetch me. It's super loud here. Welcome to Sunburn! It's about to get faster. No, I'm gonna get down if it gets faster. But the view is nice, I haven't seen. airport back again. I changed literally inside the airport as soon as I got in and checked in, and now I'm just waiting to board again. I am so exhausted. Also time for a foundation update. It is doing really good. It's honestly one of the most matte foundations I've ever tried, and also the coverage is really good. It hasn't budged at all throughout the day. I applied it around 10:30, 11 in the morning, and it's what it's 10 in the night right now, and the foundation is still going strong. It's supposed to stay on for 24 hours, so 12 hours is pretty good. But yeah, that's the update. I can't wait to hit my bed. Made it back home. I cannot wait to go to sleep. It's so good to be home. I have to remove my makeup. Laying like this is going to be a bad idea. I might just wake up in the morning like this. This foundation is really long lasting and very matte. Big thumbs up. But I think it's time for me to kind of call it a day and end this vlog right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party.
We show up in the party.